So this is our competition.
No, not hardly. They don't even serve food. Oh, perfect table. Let's grab a drink.
Okay.
I am so glad that you agreed to come out tonight.
Yeah.
Maybe they have a spectacular bartender. Maybe we make her a little offer, steal her over to the Metro Court.
Oh.
Not gonna happen. I know how to keep my employees happy.
You do. You can't blame a girl for trying, right?
Curtis's place is great. I only hear good things.
Thank you. Stay tuned, because I am just getting started.
Hey.
Hey.
Yuri. Oh, the kitchen. The new cook is from Belarus. Go figure. Oh, Gladys has been blowing up my credit card all day. Please tell me you've come up with a plan to stop Gladys's blackmailing me so that I don't have to declare bankruptcy.
Thank you.
Hey, I will have your house special cocktail, but use only the good stuff. And keep my tab open. You don't have to worry about the credit limit on this baby.
Right.
Oh, I know you from GH. I was visiting a friend in the ICU, Valentine Acidine.
You were. You said you were family.
Yeah, I really shouldn't have done that, but I just really needed to talk to her.
Of course you did. It's nice to see you again, Miss Gladys.
You remember my name?
Yes, I do.
But it's just Gladys, by the way.
Any friend of Valentine's?
Oh, it feels so good to be a customer, doesn't it? Instead of a host, let everyone else take care of all the details.
What's going on with you?
What are you talking about? I'm just looking forward to relaxing with a lovely cocktail. Really, any chance we could get Sonny out for a drink? I've barely spoken to him ever since he came back from the dead.
Sonny's out of town. He's catching up with an old acquaintance. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, yeah, keep me posted. Okay, bye. Valentine's awake. Thank God. Anna said that surgery went well and that the doctors are optimistic.
I'm so relieved.
Me too. Let's just hope it continues that way.
Did Anna say anything about the search for Peter?
Just that the trail is cold, that there have been no signs of Peter since Anna and Valentine saw him in Crete.
Great. That means Peter could be anywhere, including on his way to Port Charles.
So, how's Valentine doing anyway?
Gladys, Austin. There's no way you could have known this when we met at the hospital, but I'm a physician there, so I can't discuss patient information.
Well, you're no fun. But I am.
Austin, did you just say that Gladys is heading to visit Valentine?
I sure did. Is that a problem for you, Brooklyn?
Brooklyn, what is going on? Is everything okay?
No,